Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Wesley Smith. We are the K Grant Group and I'm bringing a property to you from Scottsdale. This condominium is in Sienna Condominiums. It is 2 bedroom, 2 bath and it's just over 1,075 square feet, and here we are in the kitchen. A lovely backsplash with pastel colours throughout the whole property, and something that I love is self-closing drawers. Let's move out of the kitchen now and go into one of the guest bedrooms. Follow me just to the left. And here's the guest bedroom with plenty of room. I absolutely love it, and a very large walk-in closet. Right across from the guest bedroom is the bathroom. Again, a lot of space in here with a really nice granite sink and some amazing tiling, all matching the whole property. So let's move through to the lounge area. We have a dining table there, again with lots of room, and then a large lounge area with a huge L-shaped sofa. As you can see here, we do have a pool view, which I bloody love. And into the left of me here, we have the guest suite master. To the right is a very large bathroom with beautiful tiling throughout. If you come through and have a look, you'll also be able to see to the left here is a walk-in closet. I hope you've enjoyed today and having a look at this property. It will, I'm sure, sell very quickly, and if you need any information, just contact me on my telephone number 480 277 7110. Thanks again.